What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Focus on me. Focus on me, please. Thank you. Be more positivity. Positivity. Hello, all you beautiful people out there. I'm back with a new video for you, and with this beautiful lady in the background. I don't know if she's like disturbing or if she's cool, but I like her a lot, and she got some red roses there too, so I thought we would match. So I hope it will be okay. So yeah, so in today's video we are gonna talk all about positivity and how to keep a positive mindset in such hard and shitty times as we are in now. So if you want to see how you can learn to think more positive and to make a way of living, then just keep on watching this video. So yeah, we're back. By the way, it says Kindness Club, and I found that it really fitted with the theme, so that was planned. So you know that. So, but anyways, let's get started. So the first thing that I was gonna bring up is that your emotion, the way you feel, it's just a result of the things that you think. Okay? Just have that in mind. So if you think a lot of negative thoughts, it's gonna give you a lot of negative emotions. You're gonna feel like crap, okay? So, and this is a choice. You may be like, what the fuck? I don't choose to feel like this, Silje, and it might be some critique here, but it's true. Oh shit. But it's true. Okay? You have a choice. You have the choice that how you would like to see a certain situation. You can choose to focus on the negative things and then, as I said, feel like crap, or you can try to see it and look at it in another way, and that this might be, if you take this time as an example, this time when we need to be a lot of alone by yourself, you can choose to think of this as a time that you can work on yourself. You know, that this time is a gift and that you can use it to something good. Okay, so if you look at it that way, you are going to feel a lot of more positive emotions. Okay, it's not really more hard than that, or I think it might be a little bit easy for me to say that because this is kind of the mindset I always have had. I've always been a positive person, but this is really, now that fucker is making noises again. Sorry, like my fridge is just super noisy. Oh my god, it's killing me. But anyways, but it's true that I get that it can be hard to change your thinking patterns, because it's really hard to, when you've been doing a certain thing over a longer period of time, then certainly just like quit all of that shit and start thinking in a new way. It's not easy, but I promise you, even though you just think now, oh my god, that's crap, like you can't just think happy thoughts and then you'll be happy. But I mean, try it. Like, I mean, it really works. It really how the mind works. So try it. Okay, so another thing to think about is always what you can do to solve a certain problems. Don't use your time, your energy, as I said in my last video, about thinking of why you did a certain thing or how bad it is and how stupid you are or whatever. Just think about, okay, this should happen. What can I do to make the situation better or to feel better? Did I learn something from this or something? You know, focus on that. Don't waste your energy on that things, because that's just gonna lead you down the road to negative thoughts and feelings. So yes, don't do that. Try to find a solution is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so then it's number 3 or 4, I'm not sure. But anyways, it is that you probably heard this thousands of times before, but it is to like eat healthy, exercise, drink your water, like do these things, get your 8 hours. Like it's really, really going to affect you. You know, it's like this halo effect. So by just starting to do these things, it's going to give you this feeling that you actually accomplish something, and it's gonna kickstart that dopamine, and you're just gonna feel great, and that's also gonna help you to feel more positive feelings, because you're gonna have positive thoughts about yourself, because you know you're doing good, you know you're doing well, and then you're gonna also get positive emotion from it. So it's really important, and it's not some bullshit that some magazine tells you to do. It's really it's science behind that. And so do that. Just take care of yourself. You know, show yourself the love and the worthiness that you really, really need, and it's necessary for you to live a good life. Just take care of yourself, guys. Take care. It's important. So I feel like it often that people victimize themselves and kind of blame earlier situations for why they feel like crap now and why they're fucked up or something. And I mean, yeah, it's traumatizing. It's not fun. I get that, and it's not like some easy problem to get over. But if you try to kind of think of that all of these things that has happened to you happened for you, okay? These things made you the person you are today, with all the experience, all the feelings, and all the things you have today, okay? And I think that's a really, really nice way to think about things, and kind of trying to just use your past and make it into your own advantage. You know, it's like the song, like, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. And it's true though, it's true. So yeah, teaching the thinking patterns. Okay, so another thing that really, really affects you, and actually affects a lot of people around you, is that you just try to smile more, okay? And even though you don't feel like smiling, just try to smile, because then you are kind of going to trick your brain to think that you're happy. Even though you might not be happy, in the beginning you're going to start being happy, because you're tricking your brain to believing that you're having a great day. And that actually works. And when you really try to kind of smile to people around you and you get a smile back, you're gonna feel good, and you're gonna make the other person also feel good, because they feel seen, and they just kind of felt you're vibing with your positivity. And we love that. We love some positivity vibing, like, yeah. And another thing that I find also helps with your well-being, or to think more positively, positively, yeah, to think more positively, is to, you know, when you're like standing in line in the coffee shop and you see the girl in front of you and she has this really, really gorgeous hair, you know, that's probably happened to you 1 time or 2 times in your lifetime or something. And then you just like think about, oh, wow, she got gorgeous hair. Say it. Train yourself to actually say it. Just like touch her shoulder and say, hi, I think your hair looks great. And she'd be like, wow, thank you. Of course she's gonna be happy. You're gonna make her happy and it's gonna be genuine because you liked her hair. You think it looks amazing, and I feel like just say it. It's not gonna cost you anything, and you're just gonna bring kind of more joy into this person's life, and that's also gonna bring you more joy because you see that you made a person happy, and then you're just, you know, you're making the world a happier place, and maybe that's just gonna encourage her to do the same another time with another person. And you know what, maybe one time someone will compliment you, and you know that feeling. You're gonna feel great because this is something people do without thinking about getting anything from it, you know? They're just saying it as it is. Your hair looks great. You wasn't asking her for a favor, you wasn't asking her for anything. You were just saying, yes, it's great. That was all you wanted to like get with the conversation, and it's so genuine, and you're vibing, and when you're just like spreading this energy, you're gonna feel better. So try to train yourself to do this, and it's just gonna do wonders for your well-being, I promise you. And you're gonna be a part of making the world better. So yes, do it. I encourage you to do it. So in combination with what I was just saying is that now you're smiling to people, you're complimenting people, and this will all result in you sending out positive vibes into the universe. And the vibes that you send into the universe will get back at you. So if you go out there with this negative bitchiness attitude, you're gonna get negative bitch attitude back, okay? So if you just like smile and spread positivity and kindness, that's what you're gonna get back. And yes, I think it's wonderful, and I think that everybody should live like that, and that is just gonna make the world a better place, honestly. I really think so. So I hope people will start doing it because it's better for them, and it's better for me, and it's better for everyone in the society. Yeah. Okay, so that was it for this week's video. I hope you enjoy and feel just encouraged to spread love and kindness and positivity, and to try to think more happy thoughts, and that you just sit with a smile right now. That would make my day. So if you do, please hit the like button, send a comment with a big smile if you're still here, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos and more of me, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.